Here we have one of our 347s, 425 horse. Just did some Dyno pulls on it. Doing a valve train inspection. This has got the Scorpion roller rockers. It's got Edelbrock cylinder heads. We do all the guide work and valve work here. We do a bowl blend job on it too. Real nice cylinder head. It's got custom J&E pistons, tool steel rings, Eagle rotating assembly. It's got a Moroso front sun oil pan on it. We went and painted this. The customer's got it's a Mustang, early model Mustang, the factory orange to match the car. It's got Edelbrock Air Gap, Quick Fuel SS 650, MSD Pro Belt Distributor. Also, we installed the March serpentine belt setup. Make sure the alternator's charging. Custom black wires on it. Naturally, when you receive your motor, you'll have documentation in it on all the power and parameters of the motor, O2 readings, oil pressure, things of that nature. We tune it up here the best we can. Highly recommend installing an O2 in the car so you can tune it for your exhaust, air cleaner, things that you have there. Contact Prestige and we can help you out with that.